In this video, you will see step by step how I build a cloud lamp that shows the weather forecast through different light effects. Besides this cool feature, it's activated using a proximity sensor and an Arduino board to control all the sensors and all the lights. It's a nice do-it-yourself project to make a cool lamp for your room or to learn a little bit about electronics and Arduino. The materials and tools used in this project are quite easy to find and you shouldn't have any trouble with it. The first thing to do in this project is to prepare the Arduino board with the program that controls the infrared, temperature and humidity sensors and all the lights. After the program is uploaded into the Arduino, we are ready to do the soldering of the other peripherals. I used an Arduino Nano, addressable LEDs, an infrared sensor LM393, a temperature and humidity sensor DHT11 and a 9V battery holder. All the soldering were done directly into the Arduino board, connecting all the sensors into it. After this soldering step, we are ready to assemble everything together. But first, I would like to explain a little bit how it works. The Arduino board is constantly measuring the humidity and temperature of the ambient that it is, using the DHT11 sensor. Assuming that it is measuring the same humidity and temperature as it is outdoors, it does some calculations to kind of predict which will be the most likely weather condition. And as a result, we have three possible classifications in the system: sunny weather, cloudy or drizzle weather, or stormy weather. When the Arduino defines which one is the most likely to happen, it reproduces the light effect that I choose to represent it. It is good to remember that it's not a super precise weather forecasting, but it has the inspiration in some devices like that nice glass spheres that precipitated some crystals as the room temperature changes. Well, proceeding to the assembly of the cloud lamp, all the electronics were glued to a plywood board with some hot glue. The only exceptions were the 9V battery holder, because the idea is to make it removable, and the LEDs, that will be glued in a further step. To give a cloud shape to it, I used a couple of polystyrene foam and glued all the pieces together using more hot glue. The shape of the PS pieces has some spaces that hold the battery holder, so you can remove it to change the battery when necessary, and have some spaces to store all the electronics inside it. After everything is glued in place, I cut the sharp edges to give a smoother shape to it and glued a small central piece of PS foam. Now, the LEDs are ready to be glued in place. The one that I used already had a double side taped in the back of it, so it was really simple to glue it in place. Now, as the last step, we just need to glue some polyester fiber on top of the PS foam. It will give a really nice cloud look to the lamp. Don't forget to leave a good space for the infrared sensor to work. Now, you just need to put the battery in place and you're ready to go. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your cloud lamp that is activated with the proximity of your hand to it. Hope you enjoyed this project. For more content like this, don't forget to follow the channel and like the video. It helps a lot the channel to keep creating content like this. All the plans to build a do-it-yourself project just like this one are in the video description. See you in the next project.